Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to Stelvio, a premier residential community perched in the cool, serene hills of Kingston 6. This impeccably designed 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom villa apartment offers a rare blend of luxury, space, and versatility in one of Jamaica's most exclusive addresses. Boasting spacious interiors and a modern open concept layout. This unit features high ceilings, contemporary finishes, and large windows that fill the home with natural light. Each bedroom includes its own ensuite bathroom. The elegant kitchen comes fully equipped with premium appliances, sleek cabinetry, and solid surface countertops, perfect for entertaining or casual family meals. Unique to this unit is a finished basement, presenting a rare opportunity to add a fourth bedroom, home office, gym, or entertainment suite, tailored to fit your lifestyle needs. Step outside to enjoy a private terrace space, ideal for morning coffee or evening relaxation. Stelvio is ideally located just minutes from Liguanea and Barbican, close to schools, shopping centers, restaurants, and embassies. Enjoy city convenience in a tranquil, secure, and upscale setting. This is more than just a home, it's a lifestyle. Schedule your viewing today. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
I'm just trying to give you something spooky out to for you. I'm just trying to give you something. I'm just trying to give you something spooky out to for you. I'm just trying to give you something.
The asking price for this villa is US 2 million, Jamaican 315.5 million, Canadian 2.8 million, Euro 1.8 million, or 1.5 million pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.